She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are doing a 1K special Q&A video. So this video was one of the most requested video on our channel, and now that we are here with 1K subscribers, we thought that we should make a video right now. So yes. So first of all, thank you so much for 1K subscribers. It means a lot to us that thousands of you guys are subscribed to our channel and know that we exist on this earth. Yes, and thank you guys so much for your massive love on our iOS 14 video too. And if you are not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. And also, we have made an Instagram account, so you guys can go and give us a follow there. It will be in the description box down below, and you guys can go check it out, and by that way you guys will see us and every day. So yes, you can connect with us a little more. So yes, let's jump into the Q&A straight. So the first question is by Adele's 1987, and the question is, are you guys twins? Of course, so we are twins. Our channel name is Viva Twins. We look like twins and we are identical twins. So next question is by Abby, and she asked that, what are you guys' names? So yes, so my name is Vanya and my name is Vajiha. So yes, that is so that. The next question is by Kayla's Corner and Abby, and they both asked us, in which grade are we? So we are in 11th grade, and yes. So the next question is also by Kayla's Corner, and she asked us our favorite food, and our favorite food is definitely like fast food, any kind of fast food, but like pizza is a win-win. So the next question is again by Kayla's Corner, and she asked, do you all ever fight? And yes, we do fight. I think every single sibling fight, and our fight like does not last long, so yes. Yes, we do fight. And the next question is again by her, and she asked, what are your favorite things to do? We like to do a lot of things, especially like painting, singing, and making YouTube videos, editing. No, not editing. Making YouTube videos, of reading your guys' comments, replying to them. Like, there are so many things that we love to do. So yes. Playing games like Roblox. One of our new favorite things. So the next question is, what is your dream sub goal? So dream sub goal is probably like 100K, because that way you get like a YouTube plan, and that is really like amazing, your first ever milestone. Yes. And a gift from a YouTube thing. So yes. Of course, like dream sub count changes as you achieve that sub count. Sorry if we are pronouncing your name wrong, because we don't know how you pronounce your name, so we are extremely sorry about that if we are pronouncing anybody's name wrong. So the next question is by Aliyah H, and she asked, do you use any filter on your thumbnail? If so, what app is it from? I love your thumbnails. Thank you so much. And yes, we do use a preset, and it is from Lightroom. It is like our own preset, and we use it on all of our thumbnails and on our like Instagram pictures too. So now the next question is, have you ever thought of quitting? I mean, I guess it's about quitting YouTube, so the answer is no, we haven't thought of quitting YouTube, because YouTube is our dream. We wanted to do YouTube for a long time, and we love doing YouTube, so we can't like think of quitting YouTube. So yes, we just started it. Why would we quit? And the next question is, have you ever gotten hate? Yes, we got like one comment which was like telling us about how cringy our intro was, but like let me read the comment for you guys. So yes, this is on our modern minimalistic room decor DIY video, and YouTube like put it into the likely spam section, so it was not on our like comment section. So it was like, ew, intro is cringe, like if you agree. So that was the comment, and that was the only comment that we got like hate on, but we are like so blessed to have such an amazing audience like you, because you don't hate on us. So yes, that was that. And the next question is by Abby, and she asked, is English your first language? No, it's not our first language, and that is why our accents are like mixed. Yes. So we have like British and American accent mix, And because like when you watch like British videos or British like movies, the accent just get jumbled up, so that is why we get like a little bit of like British accent in our accent. So yes. So the next question is actually the most asked question, that where do you guys live? People ask this like question a lot, and we cannot tell you guys where we live exactly, but we can tell you guys we live in Pakistan. So yes, that is the thing.
Now you know.
So the next questions are from Instagram. So the first question is, who motivated you to make an art page or YouTube channel? So if you guys don't know, we have an art page which is Artsy for the Twins, and we also have this YouTube channel. Motivation, we got like a motivation from our creativity. As we were so creative, we wanted to make some videos and show our creativity to the world, and yes, inspire other people. So art page is a thing that we started when we were like bored and during like COVID-19 and stuff like that. So we were really bored and we decided to make an art page
before YouTube, because
and actually the real story is that we made a painting and I just took a photo and edited it super nicely, and after that we were like, we should start an art page because this painting turned out really nice and the editing looks good too. So I'll insert the picture right here.
And we were like, we should make an art page for just for fun. So yes, we did that.
Nothing serious. So the next question is,
what is your favorite thing to do in winter?
Our favorite thing to do in winter is just sit under a blanket on our bed, watch some YouTube videos
and feel cozy.
So yes, because we started YouTube this year, so before that it was like our thing to just watch YouTube videos. That was our favorite thing to do.
So yes. So the next question is, how do you cope with school stress?
That is a really good question, but not to ask from us, because we take stress really easily and we start to get like panic and get like anxious and stuff like that. So we just cry and try to do some stuff, study and other thing like that.
But so, YouTube like help us.
So yes, we watch YouTube videos
and it helps us
get better. So yes. The next question is asked by SnowWFlake_, and she asked that if you could have any magical superpower, what would you choose? So we don't want any superpower. We are good as we are, because like think about it, if you have any power to fly, then people will like see you fly and they will say like this is another creature and human will not accept you, and that will affect your mental health. And if you want to say that you want to become like invisible and you see anything bad happening, like any crime scene or something like that, that will traumatize you and affect your mental health.
And if you want to read other people's mind, then maybe the people think bad about you and you get to know it, and then it will also
affect your mental health. So that is why it like let everything be how it is. So
yes,
we don't want any superpower or anything like that. We are good as a human. So yes, that was it for the Q&A.
So we were just about to finish our Q&A video and our friend asked another question, so here we are answering it. And she asked how you overcome your depression or anxiety. So we don't know anything about depression and we're not going to talk about it because we don't know anything about it and how to deal with that. But the things that we do know is like how to cope with anxiety and everything like that, so we will tell you guys about that.
So do the things that you like. For example, we love to watch YouTube videos, so we just watched YouTube videos during the session when we got like anxiety and stuff like that.
So when you know that you are getting anxiety attacks, you are getting panicked, you should do the things that you really like to do and the things that make you happy. So for us, that was like watching YouTube videos, and maybe you can like write something else. That could be a diary, a song, everything like that.
So basically we do things that we like to overcome our anxiety, and if you want us to make any separate video about anxiety and stuff like that, we would love to make it, because we would
love to like help out you guys. And so
that was it for today's Q&A.
Hope you guys enjoyed it and got to know something and everything about us.
And if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up.
And also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video, post everything.
And our previous videos are linked in the description box down below
or in the icon right here.
So make sure to watch them, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.